Welcome back to My World 67. This is G Man. Uh, when we last, this is another part. This is part four to the sequence of custom rebuilding a broken up piece of junk Marx train. Well, so far, we've gotten to the point where we have taken the cab, and you see I've got the engine upside down. I'm waiting on a little glue to dry. I have attached the cab to it. I've reboxed the cab. I put in the window struts, the center dividers, and got it all mounted. And I'm about to mount the cowl onto the front of the engine. Maybe you didn't notice it, but the cowling was broken off and needed replaced. And so we're replacing it also. You notice the pieces and the parts that I'm using are, the majority of them are all red because as I showed you in the first part in the beginning of this particular video, we used this battery operated engine for the parts to fix this Wm.Crooks engine. And it's styled in the same period. And actually, it was a perfect shell, like a brand new shell. I even thought about repairing it and putting in a motor in it and running it instead. But I like the Wm.Crooks. I've never had a Wm.Crooks, and so I had an opportunity. I had bought this one, and it was all broken and busted up. But I just thought, hey man, I can salvage that, and that's what I do. I try to bring old things, rejuvenate them, and bring them back to where they're operable again.